Orders, where you at? Where you at? Where you at? Right now, the price is at $4.83. And I just seen this article said Ape experienced high whale activity over the last 24 hours. So does that mean the price could be going up? It possibly could, or it could be going down. Find out on this episode once you press that like button and leave a comment and all that good stuff. The crypto whale tracking website Whalestat tweeted this morning that Apecoin was one of the most used smart contract in the last 24 hours among the top 100 Ethereum whales. That's good to know. A lot of money going on in the tweet. He also stated these at the time of the price. This was going on with it. Trading volume of the altcoin dropped down a little bit. So let's look at Apecoin price. Quick video. So right now we're at $4.83. We are up in the last 24 hours, barely. And if you look at this, you look at it, you go to the last week, you notice a pattern. If you connect right here, where you've seen $5.80, 18 cents, $5, we just say $5.20. $5.20, you connect from right here, and you really start going down in this line. Connect right there, right about 5. Bam. And we are really on a route to going to about right here. $4.70. Then we probably consolidate a little bit and keep on going down to about $4.50. That's what makes sense what's going on last week. But you see what ended up happening is it went right here. Then the resistance line was $4.80. Resistance line right there. Bam, went up, went down, came right past it. And you see it didn't go down, flash, down, flash. It stopped. So right here, it looked like we're going to trade sideways and go past 490. It's going to swiggle a little bit, go past like 490. And we might have a spike up past $5 soon. Because we zoom back a month, our next breaking point would be $5.16, $5, we just say $5.20 would be our next resistant. And overall, we want to get close back to $6. So I believe this is a great buying mark right now. Anything under $4 right now would be a good buying mark. And I will have this as a buy and sell, such as treat this as if you are about to buy this and you're selling, you are flipping. This is not a long-term hold move. Because since the whales is doing it, that means they probably know something. They know we might have some good activity going on. And then I haven't been on their Twitter. We don't know if they have a new launch or something crazy going on over there. So we can first check out Bored Ape Yacht Club. And let's see. Let me find it real quick. There we go. And got over 1 million followers. See nothing last 5 hours. They just retweeting. Nothing fully much is popping. Then let's check out the other side. Is there anything going on over here? Because I feel we're probably about to get some news or something since Will's doing it. So everything else is quiet. Don't see anything else. Can't even spell. Apecoin. See if anybody is tweeting about good old Apecoin. And you see, last 20 hours, token explain, token drop, airdrops, hold, 10 hours, nope. Apecoin looked like it's headed to the nearest. No, it didn't go that far down. That's what's back when people was saying it was going to keep going down. So yeah, that's all I get. That's all I get. Let me know if you guys tried Dookie Dash. I went to try it, but it like completely the site messed up and exploded when it first released. So I never get into it. Just sold all my ape. Going to keep selling until you guys admit I made ape. Oh my lord, whatever. All right, that's all for today. Let me know if you're buying some Apecoin, not sitting back chilling.